Hi all, Satyam here, and this is the sixth video in our Typescript series. Now in this video we are going to see what are type annotation on variables. Now we have been using type annotation for quite some time in this series, but this is the official introduction to type annotations. And then we are going to see what is automatic inferring on type annotation. So let's get started. So what are type annotations on variables, right? Well, type annotations simply means we telling the TypeScript compiler what the type of a particular variable is. So for example, let's just say I'm trying to declare or create a variable of age, okay, and the type of that age is number. So me telling the TypeScript compiler that okay, here is the variable called age and the type of this variable will be number. That is type annotations. And now I'm thinking that most of you must have guessed how to write type annotations in TypeScript. But let us get on the computer screen and actually see for ourselves how to write type annotations. So here I'm just gonna open the Visual Studio Code, and before that let me just create a new folder. Okay, so here we are in our TypeScript YouTube folder, and in the previous video we actually learned about any type, okay, any and no implicit any. So I'm gonna create a new folder here for this video, and let's just say type annotations for variables. Okay, and yeah, so let's just drag and drop this folder in the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and now we can actually start writing our code. So I'm just gonna create a new file here called index.ts because it is our TypeScript file. So we are going to create a TS file, and here let's just start using type annotations. So I'm gonna create a variable called var and age is equals to 4. Okay, now here I'm not actually telling the TypeScript explicitly what the type of my variable is. So let me just give the type of my variable, and the type is number, right? Because 4 is a number and age is a number. We are treating the age as number. So I'm giving this type annotation here. Okay, this is the type annotation that hey TypeScript, the type of this age variable is number, and that's about it. That's literally what type annotation is. Okay, let's just say I'm trying to store the age as string, okay, as a 6, okay, string. So here I can write string. Okay, so this is basically also a type annotation, and type annotation is not limited to the types provided by TypeScript. Okay, if you create your own type with the help of classes and all, you can actually use that also here. Okay, that also works. So that's the type annotations. Okay, these are explicit type annotation because we are typing these string, okay, this column number here. Okay, that's why it is called explicit. So let me just place a comment here, explicit type annotations. And there are actually a way of creating implicit type annotation also. So if I create var names is equals to not names, person, it is a person is equals to Radha, okay, Radha Rani. So let's just say the person is Radha. Okay, now if I hover over this, okay, if I hover my mouse over this, you can see that the TypeScript is actually automatically trying to detect the type of this person variable. Okay, and the type of this person variable is string here. So this is called implicit type annotations. Okay, these are implicit means the TypeScript is automatically detecting this. Okay, it is automatically trying to figure out what the type of this particular variable should be. So this is how inferring, okay, inferring of type annotations, types. So this is called inferring of type, okay, or you can say implicit type annotations. Okay, so this is all type annotation is. It's a very simple thing, and that's why the video is so short, but that's all it is. Okay, it's basically a way to tell the TypeScript what the type of a particular variable is. So this is the official introduction to type annotations in TypeScript. Now in the next section we are going to see functions. Okay, we are going to go for basic functions and how to create them, how to pass parameters, how to get the value back. So that basic level of functions we are going to see in the next section. Then there will be another section on functions which will be advanced functions, but that is later in the video, so Yeah, look forward to the basic sections of the functions. Now we will meet in the next section. Till then, bye.